Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wonder Boy Farm. Well, today we're just checking out the goats them, see if everybody is healthy. All the babies them is looking healthy. And they're growing too. Yeah, look at the babies right here, see them? They're all growing, they're just 1 week old, see them? Look at them. 1 week old, you see how big they are? So they're growing. Look at them. They're all different colors. See them? Look at them. They're all different colors. And this is the set of goats supposed to have babies. This is the next set. They're all pregnant, so they're supposed to have babies next. They all lying there. They're supposed to have babies next. So these don't go into the nursery. This one have babies. See her pouch. So she have babies. You see, we got the next set of goats right down here too. But all babies healthy. So far I have 34 babies down on the floor. And all of them looking healthy in space of a week. Yeah, that one is himself right in the fence. But see my soldiers them, they goats them already feed and coming, and they're just taking a rest. I dropped the roll of grass like this one because no grass is springing, and them into quarantine right now, which is not quarantine, maternity ward. They all have babies, so they stay in here for about 2 to 3 months before I let them in the field. So these grass is peanut hay. I don't know if you ever hear about peanut hay, but it's just as good as alfalfa hay. But this is what they feed until they come out of the maternity ward. And all the kids look healthy, no running belly, nothing. Last week I dropped one roll, they're still eating on it right here. So that's good. They waste a lot of the hay, but I got hay, so it don't really matter to me. I got grass for them. But they waste a lot. Until I get this place situated and where I can put them and then this is too much grass to grind up anyway, to cut up, so this is how it goes. When they finish with it, I turn the cows them in here. They will eat it up. But look at the babies, ladies and gentlemen, look there. See, they're running around, all healthy. Look at them. Look around this tree right here. This is their cooling out spot. They just hang around here and cool out. Look at them. They like to cool out underneath the trees. Look at this one, ladies and gentlemen. See how big him is? It's less than a week old. Look at him. This they call with the short thumper ears, they call it the La Mancha. They call it the La Mancha. These thumper ears one. See? This is the next one. They call them the La Mancha. Healthy boys them. Boys and girls. So they got everything they need. They have the minerals, which is this. They got a molasses cub here. What give them vitamin? You see how big is 200 pounds. And they got a salt, mineral salt, right here. And here they got their water all the time. They need water. The water is right here. Nice fresh water. And they feed these right over there in the shed. So I gotta go and stock in their feed now. Here they got a molasses stuff right here. 250 pounds, see it right there. So they're eating good. I just put their feed in the shed. Just stop their feeding right there. This feeding is 16%, but this have all the vitamin that they need. So I buy that feeding. You got the mineral, the fiber, the salt, everything, the oatmeal. This is 2 Nubian dough I got here. This is full Nubian, see them? They don't have babies here, they're just a year old. Look at them. This is full-blooded Nubian, the 2 of them right here.